Hello students, my name is Sushil Mishra. I am PGT Computer Science from KB number 3 Sagar. In this video, we will learn how to apply function on a subset of data frame. Sometimes we need to apply a function on a selective column or a row or a subset of the data frame. We already know how to access a single row or column or a data frame. In this video, we will learn how to apply aggregate function on a column or set of columns or a single row or a range of rows, and how to apply function on a subset of the data frame. So in my first video I have already covered how to use these functions on data frame. They are minimum function, maximum function, mean, median, mode, sum, count, standard deviation, variance and quantile. In this video we learn following. Number 1, applying function on a column. Means if you want to apply any function on a single column, we need to use following syntax: name of data frame in bracket, name of column name dot function name. See how to use this function on data frame. I have already made one data frame for this session. First we run this cell, then this cell, then this cell. So you have seen we have 4 columns and 4 rows. So if you want to know what is the maximum value of column 2016, so you have to write df, name of data frame, in square bracket, name of that column dot max, because we want to know what is the maximum value of this column. Run this query and you can see the given output is correct or incorrect. So in column 2016 maximum value is 56000. Answer is correct. If you want to know what is the minimum value of column 2016, so you have to write name of data frame, name of column dot max, run this command, dot is missing, run this command and check the answer. Now answer is 59000. If you want to know what is the minimum value of column 2018, so you have to write df 2018 dot minimum, run this command and get the output. Similarly we can use other function, other aggregate function 2016 dot sum. This will return total of all values from column 2016. You can check it. df 2017 dot count. This function returns total number of values from column 2017. You can check df dot df square bracket 2019 dot count. So this function always returns total number of non NA entries from the each row or column. Okay, so in our 2019 having only one non NA value. Okay, now next topic is object is applying function on multiple columns. So if you want to know or apply any aggregate function on set of columns, so you have to write name of data frame in square bracket, name of columns separated by commas, dot name of function which you want to apply. Now see how to use how to apply any function on number of columns. So I am writing df 2016 comma 2017 dot max. So this function return maximum value from both column. You can check it. We have got 56,000 from 2016 column and 59,000 from 2017. We can also use other aggregate function df 2017 comma 2018 dot sum. This function gives sum of all values of from column 2017 and 2018. Now we move to next slide. Applying function on a row. To apply a function on a specific row, we need to use following syntax: name of data frame dot loc function in bracket name of that row or index of that row dot function name. Now see how to use this statement, how to apply any function on a specific row. So we have to know what are the row indexes. So row indices are qtr1 df dot loc in bracket q name of row index qtr1, q is capital qtr1 dot count. So if you want to count total number of item in the row qtr1, so here I am writing df dot loc qtr1 dot count. Run this command and check the output. Output is 4, is correct. 1 2 3 4. Now if you want to find the maximum value of row indexes qtr3, so you have to write df dot loc qtr3 dot sum. Similarly, we can use other aggregate function df dot loc in bracket qtr2 dot mean. It will returns arithmetic mean. You can check. Now move to next topic, that is applying a function on a range of rows. Means we can apply any aggregate function on set of rows. So that purpose we have, I am writing here df dot loc, means we have more number of rows which range qtr1 to qtr3, and I want to know what is the maximum value in this range. Okay, so we have received maximum values from all columns, which it belongs to range of rows from qtr1 to qtr3. Now I am writing here df dot loc qtr1 colon qtr4. I want to know what is the median value of this range. So MEDIN, name of this function, median function. Run this command, and we have received median value from all these columns. Move to next topic. Applying function to a subset of the data frame. To apply a function on a subset of data frame, we need to use following syntax, where name of data frame dot loc, row indexes range, means start row colon end row, start column and end column, dot function name, as you want to apply function on this index. Now see how to use this, how to apply any function on this basis. I am writing here df dot loc. First I am writing row indexes qtr1 colon qtr3. Now these are the row indexes. Now column index is 2016 to 2017, means this function returns only values from column 2016 and 2017 and values from given range, means row index is qtr1 to row index is qtr3. Use any aggregate function. Dot, I am writing here count. Now see the answer. Total number of values are 3 from column 2016 and 2017 having 3 values. Now I want to apply one more function, that is sum. So I am writing here df dot loc range change qtr2 to qtr4, qtr4 column index is 2017 2019 dot sum. Now we have found sum of sum of specific value from column 2017 and row indexes from qtr2 to qtr4. So I hope you will learn how to use or how to apply aggregate function on a specific column or any selected column, or on multiple columns, on a row, on a range of rows, and subset of the data frame. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.